Hello friends, thank you for watching. This is my new editing and screening studio. I just renovated a year ago with more room to work with and it more comfortable sitting here all night long. Well, friends and family, this is the life of a filmmaker days in and days out for the past 25 years. I am a filmmaker, producer, director, scriptwriter, video editor, camera operator, and more, and I even do news and community videos for the heck of fun to change my thought what to do next, and I have been doing this for a long time. I do it because of my passion, not because it will bring me wealth. Of course, everybody do it for money, but not everyone will be lucky. For example, 10 and millions of people move to Hollywood with a big dream, but only few become successful. The rest came up with empty hands. I spent almost my life to do this, but I am still just myself, not yet someone who earned millions of dollars or become famous or hit a jackpot. You have to do it no matter the outcome or the result from what you put effort, dedication, energy, and financial to do it. Become a filmmaker is not easy. One have to deal with all types of positives and negatives. If you cannot handle those, then this is not your field or your passion. Work 9 to 5 is the best medicine. But for me, sitting inside my editing studio is the best medicine, no matter I sit here 24/7 with couple cups of coffee, couple spicy egg rolls, and a plate of sticky rice with some hot spicy sauces for lunch will treat my headache all day long. I enjoy doing this because I love what I do. Plus, nowadays technology is just at my fingertips. I don't have to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to do it like what we did in the past. Sitting here with millions of ideas comes to my mind, but one idea always here with me. That idea is that I have a big dream that one day I can produce a real story that could make the whole world learn about where I came from, who is my idol, and who brought me here to learn and have the opportunity to do what I am doing right now. Of course, that person is no longer with us, but I believe he is up there watching over us. But without him, we will still spend our lives somewhere who knows. If I have a chance to do it, I believe it will make people all over the world learn about who I am and where I came from. I am sitting here all night and thinking when it will happen, where I should start, and who should I ask for help. There are few people I have hope that could help me, but the thing is, they are not in my field. I am kind of hesitate to ask for help. I also don't want to take too much of their busy times. These are just ideas and thoughts. It might happen, it may just a dream. Just a similar phrases and words from Dr. Martin Luther King's speeches long time ago. I have a dream that someday I could make it happen. Hope it's not too late before I can no longer actively doing these. Thank you for watching and hope to see you all from the shining light at the end of the tunnel. Peace.